Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well. Today's video is a little bit of a random one, but it's like one that I really enjoy. Like I love watching these kinds of videos, so I do a little bit of a restock, like once a month sort of thing. Depends really, it depends how quickly things get eaten, but I really love those videos where people are restocking everything. So basically that is what today's video is. It is quite a satisfying restock of my fridge, my snack cupboards, it is excessive. Yes, there is a lot of snacks, but what is life without snacks? And they do last us a while. But yeah, today's video is just like a whole load of that, and I really hope that you enjoy it and find it like satisfying to watch things getting restocked. And it's not just me that enjoys things like that. But yeah, I'll jump straight into it. Enjoy.
Thinking louder than my brain can take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are, oh, just the way you are.
So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope it was as satisfying to you as it is to me. Like, I love these things so much. Anything to do with organising, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did. And also, as always, please hit the subscribe button. It really does mean the world. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.